Now it's time to see the fruits of my labor. Listen to that Lincoln hum. Ain't it beautiful? Another very pretty weld. Look on there. I picked up some old spots that I welded in the past. And right in there, and in there I made that whole pipe. Made all that pipe bent. Spliced it. Let's hear it run. Still got a bad exhaust leak somewhere. Oh, there it is. Gotta get a gasket. Cost to fix? Probably a quarter or less in wire. I gotta show you the hitch carrier I made. I made a hitch carrier from steel I found in a dumpster that fits in my hitch. $162,000. I redid the front of the motor myself. That's it. That's all, folks.